Mabuhay, kamasta kayo, and welcome to another video. So I've got another unboxing to do today. Got a nice selection of items in here from MyLostGems.com once again. I know there's just been unboxing videos on this channel so far. There will be several more to come. We're trying to build the collection up a bit with some nice pieces. But there will be other videos to come in the future. It won't just be unboxing after unboxing. But anyway, let's get this package opened up and take a look at what we got. Lots of goodies. All nicely packaged up once again. I honestly can't remember everything that's in here. I know there's some nice polished pieces of Jasper in here though. Right, let's start unwrapping these. So first up is a lovely piece of petrified wood that's been polished from the Triassic, so about 200 million years old. I think I ordered 2 of these. That's a very nice piece. Nicely polished. Some very cool looking bands running through it. And a decent sized piece as well. Right, next one. Let's see what we have. One of, I think, 4 pieces of Jasper that I ordered. These have been polished as well. That's got some lovely markings in it. Again, has a nice polish to it. Right, third one. Another piece of Jasper. Kambaba. I think this one is a nice green colour, if I remember correctly. Wow, that's got some lovely patterns in it. Love the contrast between the green and black. I'll add some close-up images of all these pieces as well so you can see them more clearly. Right, next one. This is our other piece of petrified wood, again polished. Wow, I love the stripes going through this one. Nice shape to this one as well. Definitely prefer the look of this piece to the first one. Again, a really nice polish to it. Next one, which will probably be another piece of Jasper. Is indeed some red striped Jasper. Lovely orange-red colour. Again, a nice polish. Not so much going on in this one in terms of markings. Still pretty nice though. Right, a couple more to go. Our final piece of Jasper. Quite a small piece, but some nice patterns in this one. All these Jaspers have been nicely polished though. And the final thing we have is some natural freshwater pearls. These were only 12 pence each as well, so I thought I'd get a few of them. Pretty cool. I'm pretty sure these will fluoresce under UV light as well, so we'll check that out now. They do indeed fluoresce under UV light. Very cool. So that's the little haul from MyLostGems. Very happy with everything I received from them once again. Like I said, there will be a few more of these unboxings to come, so stay tuned for those as well as some others. And thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and comment. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you know when I upload a new video. And you'll all be safe and well, and I shall see you next time. Salamat po paalam. Bye for now.